2002 John Deere 260 skid steer. 2-speed. This is not a Series 2. I was asked about being a Series 2. Per my information, 2003 is the first year for the Series 2. This is a 2002. You get that up there. I don't know. That's the way it's always been. My guess is apparently the bezel or something broke. But everything works up there. All the pins are nice and tight. I mean, I ain't gonna kid. I mean, it ain't like it was brand new, but as far as loose being an issue, not a concern. They're tight enough that you don't know it. With the exception right there, you got a little bit of play. Come over here, you see just a little bit of a gap. And the New Holland machines, you can tighten the cones, and you can always keep that play out of there. John Deere is built different, so play it is what it is. You can put a washer in each side and take care of the play. So this has a little road spray because it just got moved. These side lights, these were put on by the previous owner. That one works. That one took a hit from something. The wires are still there. His reason for putting them on is because if you use it at night and you lifted something up, well, now whatever's on the forks or potentially the bucket is right in front of the lights. So this gave you lights. I never used it, so new seat, a little wet and dirty. I just cleaned all the road grime off from it. Here's where the 2-speed button goes. See the terminals right there. I never used the high speed, so I never changed it. There's your control to flip this over to run your auxiliary. Like I said, it's got road spray. Alright, it's been setting since yesterday. Let's see how easy she starts up today. Right now it's 30 degrees. And what I want you to take note is, there's your battery gauge. Notice that kicking in after it starts. We'll see how hard it starts. No ether, no plug-in. Here we go. Not too bad. Alright, see the battery gauge? That's just on idle. On this, it's cold enough you want to let it idle for a little while to warm up. But to kick that alternator in, there it is. You may say, oh, it's still in the red. Don't know why, but that's just the way it acts. When the battery needs to be charged, it will go to the green. Other than that, it always sets to the red. The battery's always charged. Here's your seatbelt switch. That's because the seatbelt has been bypassed. Anybody who runs these machines that doesn't have to concern themselves with OSHA knows what I mean. So there's your seatbelt switch. This is the switch that runs those lights that he added. Here's your regular light switch. Of course, fuel down on a quarter tank. Engine temp just started, so there's your oil pressure. When it's cold, it's really high. Here's all your lights. And here is, I can't, there it goes. There's the current hours, 3,647.9. There's a glow plug light, and of course your parking brake and ignition. Past that, here it is. So we go back and listen to the engine while it's running. These are Samson severe duty tires. Paid a lot of money for them. Well worth the money though. Rear weights, that one's missing a weight because the ear's broke. I do have it, but 3 weights on that side, 4 weights on that side. I guess I can flip the lights up. Though this is a real good machine. It won't do as much as that one, but wasn't built for the same job. Let me find the light switch. Since I'm doing this, might as well verify it's on the back. Yeah, okay, that one with the strap doesn't work. Who knows, blown balls. Like I said, I never really used that much at night, so. Sure how well I'm going to do this with only one hand. Got noise coming from the system, that's because it's still a little cold. I know, going by the operator's man, you're not supposed to do this, but set the brake on. Side panel plastic broke. That's grease on each side because it's always grease right there. Still does its job though. Again, you can see road drive from hauling it in, but there it is. I don't know what else to say about it. These tires, I love these tires. I used them for a long time. To give you an example, a regular skid steer tire you get when running on stone in the quarry will last maybe a week. These are 3 years old. Never had a single flat on them yet. They're worth the money. So there it is, 2002 John Deere 260 skid steer.